Jeremy, quick question. So what kind of stocks should I trade on the 50 EMA strategy? Should I, if I want to short stocks intraday, should I only trade stocks that are in a downtrend on the daily, or does it even matter? Or does it just matter that it's like trading below the 50 EMA on the 30-minute chart? Like, how should I select stocks? Thank you so much.
Simon, I gotta admit, that's a hard flex, man, at the bottom of a blue slope. Incredible. I love that powder, and I love getting a good shred in on the snowboard. So what type of stock should you trade? Well, first and foremost, pick a certain number, 5, 6, 7, not more than that. Number 2, pick stocks that are not always in the exact same sector. So maybe get an airline, maybe get a consumer good like Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, maybe Walmart, Costco, then throw in some tech. Obviously, tech has a lot of great movement, Tesla, Apple, so on and so forth. Make sure that the stock has very good average true range. The average true range should be at least over 1, and then the minimum volume should be no less than 2 million. If you have those criteria, you should absolutely smash it like you are on that amazing snowboard. All right, man, you rock. Hope this helps.